is to stand up and talk for my rights. I know what that is. See? And I don't care who the guy is. Because my right is my right.
Welcome to Ask the Lawyer with Brian Figueroa of the law firm of Figueroa and Associates for a free, no obligation legal consultation on issues such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. Call us at 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. Or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. That's www.askthelawyer.us. This is Ask the Lawyer. You have questions, we got the answers.
Good day, good day, good day. My name is Brian Figueroa of Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. In New York State, in New York City, we have redistricting. What does that mean? Well, we have Yvette Clarke versus Hakeem Jeffries. Which one of them are we going to put in Congress? That's the discussions in our community, and it's a serious issue because they have both represented our communities very well in Congress. But we have a choice to make. What should that choice be? And what do we want these elected officials to do for us in Washington? Which one is more capable of giving us comprehensive immigration reform? Which one of them could work to get the reinstatement of 245I, a law that expired April 30th, 2001. And in the mind of Presidente Fox of Mexico, he thought that the best comprehensive immigration reform to have is reinstating that law, 245I. And I agree with the President of Mexico at that time, then until this day. But there are other issues that we have to address. We have to address the quotas that they have. We have to address the backlogs that we have with immigration law. And immigration law is extremely important. It is what has made America great, It is what could make America great again if we bring about these changes in the immigration laws. Unfortunately, the Republicans, and a lot of them behave like KKK, Russia, and Trump. They believe, on all sorts of theories which make white people look like victims. And victims they are not. So the gentleman in Buffalo who killed 10 black people, it was a very sad day. Very, very sad. As an attorney practicing civil rights law, I have met with many parents, many brothers, many sisters, many wives of victims of police misconduct or whose family has died at the hands of law enforcement and sometimes their own family. And it is one of the saddest moments that you could have as an attorney. So the families in Buffalo, it is the biggest tragedy that they could ever have. And unfortunately, the theory that goes with that massacre is what they call the displacement theory. They are saying that, white people are being displaced by immigrants, by black people, by brown people. And that is not true. The people who have been practicing displacement theory is the Republicans, the KKK, Russian Trumps. When historically what they have done is reduce the African American population, the black population, at the end of slavery, which was almost 20% of the U.S. population, to about, 11, 12% today. So what happened? African Americans were disenfranchised by a racist immigration policy favoring Western Europeans rather than black people. Anyone who's replacing anyone is these white KKK, and even some of these people who call themselves in the middle or independent, at the end of the day, when they go back to their white neighborhoods, they don't care about us. And that is one of the reasons in Congress we have a serious situation where no laws can be passed, whether it be civil rights law, whether it be abortion rights law. It doesn't matter what law you want to pass. The big problem is what? The filibuster. Oh, you need 60 votes. Well, this U.S. Senate that is mostly white males was constructed by the founding father who wanted America to remain white. We call those people Federalists, Originalists, and that's what those 6 white Catholic judges want. They want to keep changing laws that will destroy, that will displace people of color, a broader term, black, brown, anything that is not white. We should not hold our heads down as a people. We should hold our heads high. We have the highest moral character in America, not the KKK brand of white people that are destroying America, whether it be on January 6th or any other day in America. And I hope you all understand what January 6th means. So, what can we do? What should we do? It's the million-dollar question. And the Democrats are not rabid enough in representing us. Any type of representation that we need in Washington, I need someone who can open their mouth, intelligently articulate our position, and is willing to go on a hunger strike or do by any means necessary what is necessary for our emancipation in 2020. And that emancipation means that we would be treated equally in America, not unequally, equally, whether it be the laws involving employment law, discrimination law, economics, getting a loan at the bank, not losing our homes because we are black or brown, not being slaughtered, as in Buffalo, because we are black, brown, or whatever, not white. This is unnecessary. This is inhumane. This is America that needs to change. And so far with the primaries throughout the United States of America, what we see is more of what happened in Buffalo coming. So instead of white folks looking at the truth, ignoring, gossip or false news, incorrect news, what they are doing is embracing lies, embracing stereotypes, and taking our lives. Just remember that when we get the opportunity to vote in the primaries, to vote in the general elections, we should execute our right to vote. Martin Luther King, Marcus Garvey, Malcolm X, they lost their lives. Peace.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a free consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our free paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a free consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.